I don't know when you're actually gonna watch this video, but the holidays are quickly approaching. It's literally November 24th, and I've been on a mission to turn my house into a home. And I wanted to start with the basement because we don't have a lot of room upstairs, so this would be the perfect place for people to gather. I'm stepping into another level of adulthood, and I'm hosting Thanksgiving this year and hopefully Christmas, but we'll see how Thanksgiving goes first. I really love how the basement is turning out, but we still have so much to do, but it is going to take time for it to feel completely done. So I just wanted to put this video out there. I'm gonna show you guys everything that we've done. We painted, we got a sofa, we got decor. It doesn't just look like a big empty room anymore. So let's get into it. Before we do that, actually, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're new here. And honestly, you guys, look at my nails. This is how you know I'm going through it, when like, what's going on here? Yeah. I finally found the Chobani cookie butter creamer that you guys know I've been wanting and looking for. I found this at the third Target that I went to. But anyway, let's go make a coffee. We're actually going to be doing a dirty chai. Taste test, even though I already tried it. And welcome back to my channel, you guys. I don't even think I said that, but we're gonna head to the stores today. We're gonna spend the day together because if you guys know, you know that we moved into our new home a little over a year ago, and we really haven't done much, but we're slowly getting everything together. And look what we got in the basement. We finally got a couch, you guys. Why did I say it like that? We got a couch down here. This is going to be like our family room, and yeah, we also painted the wall black. So we're trying to turn this into like a little theater room. The couch is so comfy and so huge compared to what we have upstairs. We're debating if we want to paint the whole entire basement black, but I feel like I'm scared to do that. I don't know if I should. Just put the couch together yesterday, and I love it. I love it so much. It came in 7 pieces. We actually got it from Bed Bath & Beyond, like online. I just found a stink bug on my carpet. Like I was saying, the couch is from Bed Bath & Beyond. I will leave the link if you guys are interested. I bought it with 0 reviews, so I was so nervous about what it was actually going to be like. But it was a really good purchase. It actually has storage under here, which I did not realize it had when we purchased it. So that's really good. And then this is actually a little pull-out section so you can sleep on it, or like guests can sleep on it, and it just rolls underneath. I'm so happy. I love this couch. And then it has this little drink section, little storage here, and a charger port here. The only thing is, like, I do like the color, but this color is listed as brown. But does this not look like dark gray? Like, my dog is brown. This is definitely not brown, you know? But it's gonna work really well in our space. I actually made up a whole little mock-up visual of how I want the basement to look. I'm gonna insert it here, and we'll see how close we can actually get to that vision. But I do want to find a mirror for this wall right behind me. I'm gonna try and thrift a lot of things. One thing I'm not gonna thrift is pillows, so I want to get like little throw pillows, and that's why we're about to go to Marshall's. I don't know about you, but this is me on October 24th. It's never too early. We got them side by side. We made it to the pillow section. So many options, so many options. I'm really excited for Christmas decor and stuff, but I want to keep it neutral for now until we actually like figure everything out. Look at all these options. I really like this little cheetah one. I really like this one, but I only find one. So super cute for Christmas. I really love all these blues. Nice. These are cute and neutral. I feel like either one of these would look really good in the basement, especially if we end up painting the walls black. I really like this one here, but it's $100. I don't know if that's actually worth it. TJ Maxx was in the shopping complex next door, so let's go in here as well. So many Christmas pillows. These are cute. Bad decisions make great stories. Oh, this is me, 100% Homebody Club. What's this one say? That's a terrible idea. I'm in. Do it for the plot. These are cute. Figure out exactly my son's supposed to be napping, and I hear his footsteps. I kept going back and forth with debating if I wanted to get like seasonal pillows, but we're just gonna stick with these for now. And I figured they're neutral, so whatever holiday comes around, I can just add to it, but still keep these. But I do really like these, and of course, there's so much more that we need to add down here. I think later when my husband gets out of work, I'm gonna try and convince him to go to the thrift store to see if we can find like the mirror I was talking about and maybe like some other wall decor and stuff. We also really want to do movie posters. I showed you guys the inspo pic that I created, so trying to find frames as well for movie posters to go on the black wall. And yeah, probably gonna get the wooden slats from Home Depot. I'm about to take a break from this vlog to film a nail video, but I'm trying to organize my desk really quick because my desk is always a mess. I'm gonna put some more nails into my little nail binder. This thing is filling up so quickly, and I love to see how it's coming together. I feel like it's just like a little portfolio or display of all my art, and I love looking at it. But I'm about to film a nail video. Look at these nails that I did. I don't know why, but they're giving me like cozy fall vibes. I love the stripes, and then this one is like polka dot chrome. I'm putting both of these sets into my binder, and I do have full videos on each of these designs if you're interested in checking that out. Let me update you guys because I don't know what I've shown you guys or what I've been saying, because I feel like this vlog is just all over the place. It is probably 3 weeks now since I started filming this video. I left off vlogging going to the store to get the pillows, and I ended up getting the pillows I showed you guys. And then I also added these burgundy pillows. I said I wasn't going to do Christmas, but we did end up putting the Christmas tree up. We went ahead and put up the Christmas tree. Look how pretty it looks. I'm going for a red and burgundy vibe. I got a lot of these little flowers from Dollar Tree. I got these bows from Big Lots. These little reindeer, they're like burgundy brown color. They're super pretty. We're from Dollar Tree as well. And then I got these like jumbo velvet balls from At Home, as well as this set of red balls from At Home. I also got these little like cranberry things. I think for all of this, it was just a little under $100, which I think is really good. So let's put it all together. Saw somebody double them up like this, so it kind of looks like bells, but I don't know if I like the way that looks. Put up the wall panels, which I didn't film any of it, I forgot, but we ended up getting 2 of these panels from Home Depot. I believe they were $50 each, like 49 something each. These are 2 full panels. The only thing we cut was the height. We put the TV up last night. We're still looking for a little console table, something to cover up the bottom because it is a little uneven. We did end up getting these frames from Walmart. They honestly are kind of cheap, and we were debating if we want to get something different, but the movie posters that we're gonna put in there just arrived today, so I'm gonna put those up right now. I ordered movie posters off of movieposters.com. They weren't that much, and they have a huge selection. Oh my gosh, they're huge. Okay, these are the movies we got. Ended up going with 13 going on 30. That was my pick. This is one of my favorite movies growing up. It was either this one, or Uptown Girls. I don't know if you guys remember that movie with Brittany Murphy. Then this was my husband's, actually, Back to the Future. That's a really good movie, classic. We also got this one because it's just the holiday season and it's also a classic.
Crap. I don't think I'd be in relationships with people and have friends behind and because I think you're meant to be down. No, this is a complete shock.
Suicidal thoughts before scheduled procedures with Enid.
Okay, at this point you've probably seen everything that we've done to the basement so far, but I want to give you guys kind of like a final tour now that everything is clean and put away and exactly how I want it to look. Like I said, we still have so much that we need to do. Like this back space over here is just still completely empty, so trying to figure out what we want to do there. But this is pretty much what the basement looks like. I'm also going to try to insert an actual before clip of the whole basement. This is what the basement looked like before, but this is our basement. Which this is a place that I want to put like a big loungy couch, like something we could just lay on and it doesn't matter if you put your feet on it type of thing. I'm thinking we could even put like some cabinets over here with some shelving and make this a snack bar. It's like the perfect little indent location. And then put a TV here. See, you guys see the vision, right? Like a little movie lounge room. And then since we have more space on this side, I want to do like a toy situation, playroom situation. I think I'm gonna try and do like a rock climbing wall right here. And here's what the basement looks like now. Okay, so here's the sofa. We've been loving the sofa. I think we've had it for like a month now. It's super comfortable and I love the little pull-out section. We usually always leave it out and we're just super loungy on this sofa, which I love. I did end up going with kind of Christmassy pillows just because we ended up doing like the Christmas trees and stuff. So I figured why not just do like something burgundy to kind of go with it. I actually had these pillows are old pillows that I had upstairs, and then I ended up just getting pillow covers from Amazon. So I got those on Amazon, and then you guys saw that I bought those I think at Marshall's. And then I think my husband ordered this little throw blanket on Amazon as well. It's kind of like dual-sided. This is like Sherpa, and then this one's, I don't know the material, but it's like a little smoother. I love this sofa. The only thing that would make it better is if like this one seat would recline. This is temporary decor obviously, but we did end up putting up the Christmas tree. I went with the all red kind of classic Christmas colors this year. I'm still waiting for my tree topper. It's just going to be like a really big bow, but I love how that turned out. I feel like this wall here is really what transformed this room. Also, the fact that we painted the wall black. I think it looks so good. I love the panels. I'm thinking about putting these panels, but in a lighter color wood upstairs in my nail room. We also added these sconces. Is that how you say it? A sconce to the sides of the TV. We have one there and then one over there. We got these on Amazon. They are remote controlled. I'm gonna have to show you guys what they actually look like at night, because at night it's just the whole vibe. Ooh, this one might be dead. Oh, there it goes. Okay. See, there we go. Green, blue, yellow, orange. This is like a teal pink. And then we ended up putting up a movie posters. I wanted to go with kind of classic movies, and of course it's about to be Christmas time, so I had to get Home Alone. I did order my movie posters off of movieposters.com, and I thought they were a good price, especially for the quality. They're really, really good quality. So we got Home Alone, Back to the Future, and then I chose 13 going on 30. Something else we still want to add down here are lights on top of the movies, like those little art display kind of lights. So like we'll do like a little thin light on top of each poster, and then we might add some more posters to this wall here because it is really blank. But then at the same time we're like, I don't know, we have a lot going on because back here we also have all of our Marine Corps stuff, memorial kind of our service. If you don't know, we're both Marine Corps veterans. Look at this cute little picture up here. This was from his Marine Corps ball. Actually, I was like a week pregnant. It was a week after I found that I was pregnant, which is crazy. Look at this little throwback and the glow up. The glow up is so real because you can't see, I don't think, on camera, but my acne was so bad. This was the little shadow box that I got when I EAS from the Marine Corps. I love this so much. Like, this is the first time that I actually hung it up, and I've been out for like almost 8 years. So that is pretty much this whole side of the basement. And now this side is still pretty empty. We're definitely gonna have to figure out what we want to do back here. Also, we're debating if we should paint the rest of the basement black. But what do you guys think if we paint it like a burgundy color? I was thinking, I don't know, because I feel like black is kind of scary, but I think we just need some more color down here. And I feel like the burgundy and black kind of gives it more of like a theater vibe, which is almost what we're going for. And lastly, over here, I do have my son's little felt Christmas tree. But once Christmas is over, this is going to be like my husband's comic book wall. I don't know, my camera is not focusing, but I don't know anything about comics, but here are some of the ones that he has. If you're a comic book person, I guess they're all Spider-Man, so I don't know. But yeah, once this whole wall is filled with comic books, I think it'll look super, super cute. That is our basement transformation. Let me know what you guys think. What's your favorite thing that we've done so far? Give me ideas on what color we should paint the rest of these walls, or what else we should add to the walls, or I don't know. Also, I'm gonna include what it looks like at night, because I feel like that is when it looks its best, when like all the lights are on and stuff. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know if you enjoyed this kind of content on my channel, and I will see you guys very soon. Hopefully very soon. I know I haven't posted in a long time, but life be lifing.